Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Adobe Xd with your file open. This gets you straight into action. First, import or confirm the image files are accessible, raster or SVG, so you avoid scale issues later. Once done, place your artboard at the desired size and enable layout grids or guides. This helps you align images precisely. Make sure to select 1x or 2x assets depending on export density, because that determines clarity on screens. Now you're ready for insertion and placement. You now add the picture to the artboard, drag and drop or use file, import. Both work and keep workflow fast. After the image appears, use a shape as a mask to define crop and focal area, then double-click the image to pan or resize inside that mask, because that preserves composition. Next, toggle the Fill versus Fit option in the Property Inspector to control scaling. Fill covers the shape, Fit preserves full image. Once adjusted, group or pin to keep layout stable. You finish by aligning, exporting, and verifying appearance across sizes. Export the image or entire artboard through File, Export, Selected or all so your deliverables match expectations. If you're placing many images, use Repeat Grid or Responsive Resize to maintain spacing and adapt to layout changes. This speeds iteration. For troubleshooting, if images look pixelated, check the original resolution and whether you used 1x versus 2x assets, because low-resolution sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.